So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Kohler right temp replacement cartridge. Upstairs shower was not getting hot water at all, and the sinks were. Homeowners turned the water heaters up to try and remedy the problem, but it didn't help. So typically we will have a problem either at a single handle faucet, which is going to be a tub shower, shower only, single lever sink faucet, kitchen faucet, laundry faucet, anything that's got a cartridge in it. When the cartridge goes bad, it will blend that water and create warm water out of hot and cold, even if you're not using it. It'll do it inside the valve itself. So that's been changed. We've tested it out. The tanks right now, the 2 water heaters are full of about 150-degree water. They're going to use that up, and then we've set it back down to 120. We've tested the temperature at the shower and at the faucet in the bathroom that we're in, which is the upstairs master. And so it's real hot right now, but once they use that water, it should be back down to about 120 is where we have it set. So everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.